The Garamantes ruled the Libyan desert, thriving in one of the harshest places on earth. Their secret? Underground water tunnels that allowed them to turn sand into farmland. But something went terribly wrong. As the climate changed and the Sahara expanded, their water sources dried up. Their once great cities crumbled, swallowed by the dunes. For centuries, no one knew what happened, until satellite images revealed their hidden fortresses and tunnels buried beneath the desert. Could more lost cities be waiting to be found?